Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Daniel. I'm here with MINI, and we are launching a tour to help the dealerships and also the community with the upcoming new generation of Minis that are coming out, or actually already arrived. There's so much new technology and new features on the cars that I'm here to help the customers and the dealerships to execute and learn more about the cars. Right behind me, you guys can see this really cute pop-up trailer.
So we're running the swag trailer here for the customers that are coming out to the event. We're making customized t-shirts. You pick which design you want, what color t-shirts you want. We'll press it right here for you. You can also get keychains made. We can put the name of your Mini on the back of it, your name on the back of it. You choose. Come try it out.
Guys, we also have a fun selfie camera here for the day. And the whole point is to make memorable moments, right? Because that's what MINI is about fun moments.
I'm very excited to be at the True Brit full grit motoring experience here at Flow MINI of Raleigh. I actually grew up in Birmingham, England, and the original MINI plant was in Longbridge, which is near Birmingham. So I'm very excited to take a test drive today.
Guys, we are here having so much fun at the True Brit full grit motoring experience at Flow MINI of Raleigh. So come on down, check us out at 5600 Capitol Boulevard. Come on over and be part of the community.